Welcome, this is Jane Gardner, and welcome to the Business of At-Home Business, where we're talking about the Home Biz Startup TV, where we're going to be talking about how to start, run, and grow a home business. And today we're going to be talking about subjects that are of interest to anyone who wants to run a home business. So I'm Jane Gardner, and let's get started. I'll be telling you about this show right about now. As a solopreneur, you have to be able to save some money when you're doing your business. So it's always great to find out what the free tools, the free software, the free web software there's out there, as well as events, etc., that you can use in your business. So today we're going to have a look at Google Sites. So if you've not heard of Google Sites, it is a place you can create a website for free through Google. I think all you need to have is a Gmail account, and everyone should have a Gmail account because we'll be talking about that one as well, about having free Gmail accounts on another episode. So let's go have a look at Google Sites. Google Sites is at https, of course, // sites.google.com. And if you have a Gmail account, it's very easy to get to because it's included in your little apps squares over here. There. Shall we? Oh yeah, we can click it. It'll probably show up. Besides all the other free stuff that you get when you have a Gmail account. Let's see, it doesn't show up. Oh, here it is. Over here, it's Sites. It's very easy to get to from your Google apps. And you can create a free site. And of course, they want you to use it for your business in terms of your team. So they want you to create a site that you can have privately for your team. So to plan club meetings and activities, share info on a secure company intranet. If you don't know, Google is promoting, what's it called now? G Suites, which is used to be called Google Apps for Work. And you can get an account. I pay a nominal fee per month because I can get my email through Google, which is a long story. But basically, because I do that, I also get the possibility of having a company site where I could actually have other users come in and access all of my Google tools. So for example, my Google Drive, they could have access to my mail, my docs, my sheets, etc., the groups, contacts. It's all available through Google Apps for Work, but you pay for that, which is now called Google Suite. I needed it because my email provider had to be on a separate site than my website. But this, you can make some free websites. So let's have a look and see what they say about the G Suite sites. They want you to use it for your G Suite team. So you can create a team or company website as easy as editing a document, quickly add text, videos, calendars, presentation files, and more, and then easily share this information with your organization or the world. So of course they want you to try and have intranets through Google. So let's see what else. What are the options for them? So you can edit them, of course, and change your site URL. You can manage the page templates. You can also create an external website as well as an internal website. And let's have a look at how easy it is to do. So I think that's actually on the first page. So let's create a website in Classic Sites. So we select a template to use. So there's a blank template, or you can browse the gallery for more. I'll just open that up in another link so we can have a look at it. And nothing's going to show up for too long, so we might go back and wait for it to show up. So we can name your site. So I will name this Peak Engineering Test Site. And then you can have a site location. So it'd be at https://sites.google.com/a/ my email provider website is peakeng.com, and then they add the name of the website, and then you select a theme. So we'll do a classic theme. Let's try Open Sky. Boom. Okay. And then you have to go to the next one. More options. Site category. We'll just say it's an intranet site. And it's for my company to share. So there we go. And and then maybe we press the create. Please wait. So we're going to create it. Although I like that one better, sunset. It's cuter. So yeah, so this is a simple way, rather than having to pay someone else for paying for a website creation. Here's a very simple website, and you effortlessly create and share beautiful sites for your team, project, or event. So here's a few tips to help you get started. For those of you on audio, I'll read it out. Start your first site. Okay, click to create a new site. Well, I don't know if I already created a site, so I don't know what you're talking about. So let's go have a look at it. I don't know if it's going to show up. Oh, I guess this is it. So this has got a home, and it's got a home site map, I guess, at some point. And search this site, and you can edit the page. So you load the editor, and you can call it the test site. I would prefer a different font, but hey. So let's change the font. And this is a test site for the business. Please confirm your attendance at the meeting. Let's make them pretty stressed out. Okay. And then I guess you save it. And then we can add a new page. And we have settings. We have page settings. You can print a page, copy a page, save some type templates, subscribe, edit the site layout, etc. Let's see if we add a page. It says the same. Yeah, it is. So we name your page about. Let's say it's an about page. And then let's see if it gets, it has announcements page template, and put page under test site. And let's create. See what happens. So boom. Okay, so there it is, a test site. So you create one by clicking the new post, and you will create a new post. So we are having a meeting tomorrow. Be there. And of course you can add some files. So this is a fairly limited type of site, but if you had a company and you were working with your employees, you could create a website that would just be private to you and your business, and they would have to log in terms of actually seeing what is on the website, as well as confirming. And as you can imagine, you also have access to, as I mentioned before, we mentioned before, you have all your apps that you and your employees can work with, so your Drive, etc. So if you didn't know, this is the website. Okay, and let's see what it looks like. I don't think it would look I think it's missing part of its name. See if it, no, I can't find it because it's not within the website. Google. So ignore that. So you can create a company website using sites.google.com for your business or your school, it says. And you can turn it on and off for users. You can share it with others. You can restrict access to create new sites and change the default visibility of new sites and turn on viewer commenting. So there you go. Bet you didn't know you could do a free site. So you would just share the link with someone else, and you could work together on whatever project you wanted to do on your website there. Obviously, that wasn't great for a company website, but certainly for working on projects, it would work quite well. So that's free. It's included in your Gmail account sign up. So if you haven't signed up for Gmail yet, please do. It is at, I don't know, gmail.com? No, it's not. So accounts.google. I'm sure it's probably there somewhere. Let's see. So the reason I remembered about Google Sites, of course, because I don't use it, is it's in my book, 100 Online Tools for Your Business. You can get that at jgtips.com/100. It's free. Download it. There's over 100 resources that you can use in your business and very useful. So thank you for listening. We'll be looking at another thing on Freebie Fridays. So see you then.
Welcome. This is Jane Gardner, and welcome to the Home Business Startup Toolkit. I wanted to speak a little bit about it so you know what you're getting. So who am I? Well, I'm Jane Gardner. I work with my husband in an instructional engineering firm, and I came out onto the internet to help others start a home business. And I have the Business of At Home Business website and Jane-Gardner website if you want to check me out. But I just wanted to show you what was in the Home Business Startup Toolkit, because without certain tools you won't be able to have a business on the internet. So I'm giving you for free video trainings on MailChimp and Aweber, Wix, which is a free website builder, Canva, which is a free graphic creation platform, PayPal, that's free, but of course it's tricky, isn't it? But that's where you get your money. Amazon S3 is for storing all your stuff that you're selling. And of course everybody needs Gmail. And I've got a course there, Start a Home Business Step by Step, with a workbook for building your foundations and some tools. And coming in March, I'm going to be putting WordPress up there because it is a very powerful and free platform. So just to give you an idea, I created the 5 steps to starting a home business course, and in that course, we look through identifying your target market, creating a unique solution, setting up your business basics, define your brand, and develop a realistic marketing plan. So that is implementable. And then for those of you who don't know, Amazon S3 is a storage solution run by Amazon. It's very economical and is a place for you to store your assets, your videos, your audios, your programs, and such. So I do have some trainings on that, so you can start setting that up. For example, how to create a new folder, or copy and move and rename your files, and you have a tour through Amazon S3. And of course I wanted to show you the graphic one, which is Canva. That has a free version that you can use to create all your social media posts, your dashboards, your headlines, your anything graphic that you want to do. They know how to do it, and it's free as well. Of course everybody needs PayPal, so I've got a setup of PayPal and how to use PayPal to sell your items. And then I'll just give you the last one, which is Wix. It's a free, very easy to use website builder, and the version where it is free, you have the name of Wix in your domain and you pay a bit more for a paid one. But these are all trainings. There's about 20 each for each subject. So let's go back and have a look at all the subjects again. So we have at least 20 trainings on each of these subjects for you, and they're free because I want you to get started in getting to know all about the tools that you need on the web, and you can have lifetime access. So all you have to do is sign up with your email and your name, and it will be sent the access to you as soon as possible.